जुहार समस्त को मुई मोर ना अर्जुन पुरोहित मुई कानाडा कहूचे आज मुई केतेटा जिनस आपण मान सागर सेयार करवा चाहमी कहवा लगे मोर टे असुविधा हो पारे कारण मुई बहुत दिन बाहर रही न 55-60 बरस आमर एरिया रू बाहर अच्छे मुई सुतरां मोर भाषा पूरा कसुरी एकदम पूरा नहीं हो पारे मुई इंग्लिश मझे मझे आरंभ हो जावा से मत क्षमा करबे। तो आज आपण मान सामने मुई केतेटा कॉन्सेप्ट अपन सब यूज कर लाइक संस्कार संस्कृति परंपरा साहित्य भाषा डायलेक्ट ये सब आरंभ कर यूज कर सब टिके क्लेरिफिकेशन हमार कथा संस्कार माने काना एक्चुअली व्हाट आमे जदि संस्कृति के आम बचे के रखमा संस्कृति माने काना है और तार इम्पोर्टेंस काना है मुझे लगे टिके टाइम नेबी आपण मान लगे संस्कार जुड़े मीनिंग अच्छे एक्चुअली गोटे मीनिंग हूँ संस्कार आमर बुद्धिस्ट आउ हिंदू आमर फिलोसफी जहाँ अच्छे संस्कार गोटे मीनिंग हूँ आमर चेता भितर केते टेंडेंसी गुड़ाक अच्छे प्रवृत्ति गुड़ाक अच्छे जेनटा कि आम एक्वायर करूँ कि आम जन्मगत आम ताके इनहेरिट करूँ से टेंडेंसी गुड़ाक भी संस्कार कहसन से गुड़ाक आम चेता भितर बसिकी थी आमको सब आमर को इनफ्लुएंस करूसी से गोटे प्रकार से गोटे ना हूँ संस्कार आ गोटे मीनिंग हूँ संस्कारटा हूँ जे केनसी काम कला बेलके ताके आमे शुद्ध कर्मा जदि ताके आमे से कार्य के जदि आमे प्यूरिफाई करमा तार ना भी हूँ संस्कार भी कहसन तो से लगे आपण मैंने टिके नजर देते तार ऊपर संस्कृति माने काना हो संस्कृतिटा हूँ कि आमर कल्चर आमर हिस्ट्री रे अनेक जिनस रही जाइए तार एक्चुअली केते युद्ध होचे केते रजा मैंने केन जाऊन बाहर आक्रमण करुचन आम दैनंदिन आम एक्सपीरियंस गुड़ाक हो सबू से गोटे सर्ट हैंड बाकी केतेटा जिनस आमर गोटे भाषा रही जाइए से आम से स्टोर करवार लगी आमे साके बारंबार बारंबार से मन पकाऊँ सेटा आम संस्कृति कहसन संस्कृति रे आमर एक्चुअली प्रत्येक हिस्टोरिकल जिनस गुड़ाक तार पदचिन्ह अच्छे सुतरां संस्कृत बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है आग ताके इतिहास कहते इतिहास इज रिटन रेकॉर्ड ऑफ ए हिस्ट्री ऑफ ए नेशन और ए कंट्री संस्कृतिटा हूँ इट इज द सेम थिंग बट इट इज पास फ्रॉम जनरेशन टू जनरेशन टू जनरेशन इन ए स्पोकन फॉर्म और इन सम रिचुअलिस्टिक बिहेवियर से क्या मन पकाउछे सो संस्कृति जदि नहीं रहा आपण मानक बेला आपण मानकर आपण हिस्ट्री नहीं जानी हिस्ट्री जदि जनकर नहीं न जदि जना नाइन ताहले बहुत असुविधा मुझे इतार विषय कहबी आपको परंपरा माने होचे मोर हिसाब से मुझे जहाँ जानी यूजुअली आमर इटा के समटाइम्स इट इज यूज इन द सेंस ऑफ संस्कृति समटाइम्स इट इज यूज इन टर्म्स ऑफ रिलीजियस फंक्शन जेटा कि गुरु माने सेमानकर शिष्य मान को प्राइवेटली कॉन्फिडेंशियल मंत्र देसन आउ से गुड़ाक जेनेरेशन आफ्टर जेनेरेशन से पासन हो परंपरा कहसन आम हिंदू मानकर एज फार एज आई नो 87 डिफरेंट परंपरा अच्छे फॉर एग्जांपल So sometimes it is used in the same sense as Sanskriti. ଯାହା ସଂସ୍କୃତି ହଉ କି ପରମ୍ପରା ହଉ ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି ବହୁତ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ है ଆଉ ମୋର ବ୍ୟାକଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ହେଉଛି ଆପଣମାନେ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ମୁଁ ମନସ୍ତାତ୍ତ୍ୱିକ ଆଉ ମୁଇଁ ଛାଡ଼ିଲିନ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିକାଲି 1962ରୁ before that I was teaching in Ravenshaw and I am probably the first psychologist from Orissa working in a foreign land, teaching here and seeing patients in a clinical sense. मानसिक व्याधि मोर स्पेशलिटी है मुझे साइकेट्री डिपार्टमेंट पढ़ाऊली आउ साइकोलॉजी एंड साइकेट्री बोथ आउ इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ दैट आई केम इनटू कांटेक्ट विथ वेरियस कल्चरल ग्रुप्स and before I came to Canada मुई 3 वर्ष थी ऑस्ट्रेलिया रे and से तो मैं पाठ पढ़ुली मोर PhD करवा लगी डॉक्टरल काम करवा लगी किंतु I came across also their social system particularly तांकर aboriginal population for example and whether it is Canada whether it is India whether it is Australia you will see group of people who live in the fringe of any town or any country or something. आमे इंडिया ताकू untouchable कहूँ Australia you will see there's a half breed, half Australian, half Aborigines. Canada भी देखो lot of so-called red Indians, माने Indian culture, not to be confused our kind of Indian, but in the आदिवासी गुड़ाको. Neither they belong to their own group nor they assimilate with the dominant society. So they live in the fringe area and they are the most people at risk. And I have seen in my clinical practice, in these communities you will find a lot of suicides, lot of alcoholism, any kind of social things you can think of, it is there. A lot of drug abuse, a lot of prostitution, not being able to connect with any job, anything, the transient group, and they have been most difficult thing to treat. My understanding is that because they have lost their Sanskriti. When the Australians went to Australia, the whites went to Australia, they literally destroyed their Aboriginal culture and they tried to dominate over there and their Adivasi population simply did not, those who tried to come to the white society, they were disoriented. They left their own, but they cannot get into the new world. So Trishanku Bagir Royal. সুতরাং এই যে অবস্থাটা বহুত বিপজ্জনক ଆଉ then generations after generation if you live without a particular Sanskriti then you forget whatever you had in our past. So Sanskriti is very 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 important. এটা মনে ରଖିଥିବା କଥା ଆମର କୋଶଳର ସଂସ୍କୃତି ମୁଇଁ ବାହାରେ ରହିଲିନ 50-60 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା ରହିଲିନ what I have been impressed actually that in spite of so much attempts to destroy us to convert it into Odia Sanskriti we have registered that our Sanskriti के आमे बजाय के रखीचु इटा बहुत बड़ कथा है आपन भावी ना पारबे मु बाहर कहू जे कि केते इंपोर्टेंट जिंस आए सुतरां आमे जदि अधा ओडिया हमा कि अधा कोसली हमा we do not belong there we do not belong here we are in big trouble and all psychological problems will come It's very much like ଆମର ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରକାର ମାନସିକ ବ୍ୟାଧି ଅଛି ତାକୁ ଆମେ କହିଛୁ ଆଲଜାଇମର୍ସ ଡିଜିଜ୍ ବୋଲିକରି ସେଥିରେ ତମର ଯେତେ ପୁରା ସବୁ ଭୁଲି ଯାଏସ କିନ୍ତୁ ତାହେଲେ ତାକେ ପଚରାବା ଯଦି ତୋର କାଣା ତୋ ଛୁଆବେଳେ କାଣା ଥିଲୁ ତୋର ବାପା ନା କାଣା ତୋ ମା ନା କାଣା ସେ କିଏ ସବୁ ଭୁଲି ଯାଏସନ୍ ସେମାନେ ଦେ ଆର୍ ଲିଭିଂ ଡେଡ୍ they are practically living dead. So, here it's like a murdar with a chalu se khali. Culturally, that is what happens to people who completely lost their history. They do not know what the history is, their language kana hai, their importance kana hai, the पर्वपर्वाणी kana hai, किछि नहीं ये सब गुड़ा को बहुत important. मुई हेते लगी मुई ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦେଖସି କି ଆମର ପରମ୍ପରାକେ ଯେତେ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିଛନ୍ ସେମାନେ ଆମକୁ ଭାଙ୍ଗି ନାଇଁ ପାରି ସେ ଆମକୁ କହିଛ ତୁମର ଭାଷାଟା ଖରାପ ଭାଷା ଏଟା ଫାଲତୁ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଆଏ ସେମାନେ ନେଗ୍ଲେକ୍ଟ କରିଛନ୍ ଉପହାସ କରିଛନ୍ ସବୁ କରିଛନ୍ ଆମେ ସବୁ ବରଦାସ୍ତ କରିଛୁ କିନ୍ତୁ ଧୀରେ 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 ବଟ୍ ଦେ ହ୍ୟାଭ୍ ନଟ୍ ଡେଷ୍ଟ୍ରଏଡ୍ ଅସ୍ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କାଣା ହେଇଛି ମୁଁ ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ସୋ ହ୍ୟାପି ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ न्यू रेनेसां चलছে আমার সভ্যতার কৌশলী সভ্যতার নিউ গোটে জাগরণ হয়েছে লোক মানে লেখুছন পড়ুছন কবিতা লেখুছন আমার কবি বর্তমান পাইলেন পদ্মশ্রী পাইলেন আমার লোক মানে নোটিস করুছন যে ইয়েস ইট ইজ এ গ্রেট সিভিলাইজেশন আমার সঙ্গীতটা হচ্ছে পৃথিবী যাক যেটা ইনে যেতবে রঙ্গবতী ডাকসন ইনে প্রত্যেক আমার সভা সমিতিরে হোয়াইট হো ব্ল্যাক হো চাইনিজ হো সমাজে ডান্স করছেন and they admired it. See, this is the strength of our civilization, our সংস্কৃতি আমার মুভি গুড়াক বর্তমান ইন্টারন্যাশনালি ফেমস হচ্ছেন সুতরাং আমকু আমার এতে আমার স্ট্রেংথ আছে যে এটাকে we do not really, we have to inculcate it, we have to investigate it, we have to use it and enrich it again and again and again. এটা ବହୁତ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ସୁତରାଂ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କ ଲେଖୁଛନ୍ କବିତା ଲେଖୁଛନ୍ ଛପଉଛନ୍ ଇ ସବୁ ପଢ଼ାଏ ତ I spend a little bit of time on ସାହିତ୍ୟ ଆଉ ଭାଷା ଆଉ ଡାଇଲେକ୍ଟ ଏଗୁଡ଼ାକ ସକେ କହୁଥିବେ ବୋଧେ କି I had big argument with ଦେବୀ ପ୍ରସନ୍ନ ପଟ୍ଟନାୟକ ସେ ଆମକୁ କଲେ କି କୌଶଳୀ ଭାଷାଟା ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରକାର ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଅନୁନ୍ନତ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ପାଖରେ ପାଣ୍ଡିତ୍ୟ ଭାଷା ହେଉଛି ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଆଉ ଏଇଟାକେ ଆମ ରିକଗ୍ନାଇଜ୍ କରିବା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ଆମେ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରୁ ତାକେ ସ୍କେଜୁଲେଟ୍ ଇଏ କରିବା ଲାଗି ସୋ I had argument with him and finally as far as I know, he agreed with most of my arguments. अगर सबुटी डर होइछे वर्तमान कि आमे जदि कौशली के जदि एप्रूव करदेमा आमर ओडिशा दुई भाग हो जावा तो आमर एति लगी मु ताको कहू जे आमर सांग मान जितके ओडिया मान जे अछन लोग कहछि कि केनटा वेरी इंपोर्टेंट तमे जदि हमकू our भाषा के तबे recognize ना करबो don't accept us and then because you are afraid that actually our Odisha is दुई भाग हो जावा गुटे पाके इटा है दुई भाग possibility of Odisha becoming two separate states or people in our area get more developed our हक हमको मिलवा कथा our संस्कृति में बजाय रखबो our we should be confident of our culture and we progress and improve केनटा important आई दुईटा भितरु तमर important जे ओडिसा गुटे ही थाउ कारण you are getting most of the financial thing from us our riches etc किंतु आमर प्रायोरिटी होची आमर एरिया में केदी डेवलप करू आमर संस्कृति आमे केदी बजाय रखू कारण संस्कृति आमे छाड़ी देले we are nothing so from our point of view you have no choice but to accept us as we are. If we can't do that, we have no other choice but to separate from us. And the arguments are very, very important. Every time you see somebody, you have to confront them. Do you have a choice? You know, we North America ରହିଛେ ଦେଖ civil rights movement ଦେଖିଛେ ସବୁ ଯେ ସବୁବେଳେ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଏଇଟା ହେସି କି ଏମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆମେ एक्सेप्ट कर नहीं जिमा कि मैं इनको एजुकेट करवा बोले इमाने आमर बागे ହେଇଯିବେ इमान को डर हेटा है सुतराग से मान को सब दबाई के रखुଥିଲେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମର when they were trying to we are trying to have our engineering in colleges for example बुरला रे हला किंबा राउरकेला हला नहीं इमान को इला करि दवा बोले ताको आंचलिक फीलिंग ହେଇଯିବା so they will try to separate हला nothing happened. A lot of our people got benefit, including them, and everything was okay. Same thing. I mean, the High Court come because they will have Ancholika Baba Hijiva, so we cannot do it to them. The same argument they are saying actually about Kosali Bhasa ke 8 schedule I mean the accept करनी चाहिए ताले इमाने बोले तांको ताको भेजिबे why not if that is the way we can improve ourselves that is the way we can prosper that is the way we can develop so why not so what is more important to have a geographical boundary to perpetuate our poverty to perpetuate our status just because you are afraid that actually we'll separate from you. From our point of view, we really have to look at our own identity now. It is very, very important because once you lose your identity, you will be second-hand citizen. No doubt about it in my mind as a psychologist. Take it for granted. This is very, very, very important. Because Sahitya upare kohuchan, look, I will go a little bit, divert it a little bit to literature or Sahitya kohuchan. Many people don't realize the word Sahitya or Sanskrit, it comes originates the word is Sahita. Sahita, that means which is intimate experiences of your own. ताके एक्सप्रेस करा जायसी ताके साहित्य कहसन सहितरु होइछे साहित्य सो तमे जदि अनुकरण करब बाहर की के कहछ से विषय रे हम लखमा अलगा के काना होचे सेटा के देखि हमें तार विषय लखमा दैट इज नॉट साहित्य दैट इज अनुकरण साहित्य कहि पारो even translation from that point of view. You have to be very intimately connected to what you are. तुम निजर अनुभव काना है देखो आमर मूवी गुड़ाक देख जेन करिचन आमर सरस्वती बाबू भूखा हला किंबा आदिम विचार हला कि सड़ा बुढ़ा हला सड़ा बुढ़ा बदला हला they are all based on our own experience. That is why we are famous. That is why they are getting prizes, international prizes, because that is authentic. सुतरां केभे आमर एते आमर संस्कृति एते सुंदर ई भितरे केते जिंस अच्छे we have not ourselves realized it because we are trying to अनुकरण करूँ अनुकरण when it becomes hanukarana बुझिला so सुतरां मोर विनती आपण मान को समझते आपण नुआ लेखक गुड़ा आसुचन नुआ कवि गुड़ा आसुचन सो इटा के आपण मन रखी कथा before you try to translate somebody else's before you try to imitate somebody else no matter how advanced they are you are really getting out of touch with your own reality. निजर अनुभव तो दूर ही जाऊँ so it becomes very artificial. किंतु निजर अनुभव के जितने करब तुम्हें that become more authentic. That is प्रकृत साहित्य ସେଇଟା है. So अनेक समय क्वेश्चन कि where there is a difference between भाषा और dialect and this kind of stuff. We जितने research करें देखली there is really no difference between साहित्य the भाषा and dialect. Dialect is a derogatory term to use a language. As you know, our वर्तमान ओडिशा रे काण ହେଇଛି हमर आगर थिला ओडिशा कल्चर डिपार्टमेंट संस्कृति डिपार्टमेंट ताके बदले दीचन ओडिशा ओडिया साहित्य संस्कृति डिपार्टमेंट कर दीचन. As a result of that, actually we are not getting our share, so मुझ पचराली आमर दास बेनहुर the famous writer आमर इनके आसीथिले तार संगे कथाबार्ता हली what is going on here, मुझ तांकर जा देखली actually they are scared. ओडिशा रे scared वर्तमान they are losing the importance of Odia. Children are not going to Odia school. They are speaking in Hindi, they are speaking in English, they are speaking English at home. So they are afraid that after some time there won't be any Odia. More good student Ajit Mahanti, Janicho, he was professor in JNU. He retired question. He has become the expert, world expert in multilingual education. She could sir, about 2040 there won't be any Odia school because parents are simply not sending the children to Odia school. Sutrang, we are really scared. Das Benhur गोटे बढ़िया ताकर कॉलम रे देखिथिले एबा सभा समिति जेतले करछ ओडिया संरक्षण समिति अमुक समिति सभा समिति गुरुजन प्राइज गुडा को दउजन ओडिशा गवर्नमेंट इज गिविंग 169 crores of rupees to the department. Lot of this money is being spent in giving prizes. Every second week I see Odia newspaper prize गुडा को दउजन. In spite of that, कहले कि तांकर सभा समिति रे there is nobody under 55 years old. You see, everybody old. So very young people are no longer attracted to Odia anymore. So they are afraid. This is why they are trying to do everything possible to and we are the target for them. You see, amman को छाड़ी दले तांकर निजर गुडा छाड़ी दउछ हमको फिर छाड़ी देवाले रहबा काना after a generation or two there cannot be anybody to speak Odia even. Do you have a problem? I understand that, I empathize that, but why are you harassing us for that? We have to protect our Sanskriti too. So, from my point of view, you have to resist it. You have no choice if you want to survive. And we are doing, by the way, very, very well. So, we in North America, I have been propounding again and again, actually, you better accept what we are. You better accept we are Odisha Basi. We are not Odia, but we are Odisha Basi, and we are Kosari, and we have to accept what we are. Otherwise, we have to separate. Don't blame us for that. So, बहुत दिन परे वर्तमान, as you know, this time they observed Nuakhai here, and I actually initiated that. And so, dhire dhire, they all agree with them, but they are really scared. So anyway, so अनेक समय रे मैं जितने we Dr. Panigrahi, as you know, I have published one or two books by him. ताको से कथा होतली ताको कहली कि एक्चुअली आज्ञा आप बढ़िया लिखुले बर्तमान कुशली महाभारत कहीं आप ओडिया लिखले तो बहुत लोग पढ़े सी कहले कि देख आमर भाषा जो मिठासटा अच्छे इतार जो ध्वनिटा अच्छे इतार जो अच्छे जोश अच्छे दैट इज नॉट अवेलेबल इन ओडिया. वी आर डिफरेंट पीपल. our Sanskriti बहुत अलग है. Ame, for example, Odisha coastal area re, their history is very different. ସେମାନେ ଅଶୋକ if you really read the history of coastal area, they have been successively, they have been invaded by so many people from outside. ଆଗ ନନ୍ଦ ବଂଶ, ତାପରେ ମୌର୍ଯ୍ୟ ବଂଶ, ତାପରେ ଭୌମ ବଂଶ, ତାପରେ ଗଙ୍ଗ ବଂଶ, ଆମର ଇଆଡ଼ୁ ବି କୌଶଳୀ ମାନେ ଆଟାକ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି ସୂର୍ଯ୍ୟ ବଂଶ, ଶୋଭ ବଂଶ, ସବୁ ବାହାରୁ ଆସିକି ସେ ରାଜତ୍ୱ କରିଛନ୍ତି. ସବୁଠୁ ମୁସଲମାନ ମାନେ ସେ ରାଜତ୍ୱ କରିଛନ୍ତି. We were never ruled by, for example, Muslims in our area. So our Sanskriti is different. Our area, this kind of atrocity never happened. So therefore, we are straightforward people. When we speak our language, we speak with confidence, and when we say our mind, we are also very clear what we want. And ସେମାନେ ବାହାରେ କରି କଥା କହିବେ. ସେମାନେ to please people, they will say something, even if they don't mean it. We don't have that culture. So we are culturally different. We have to, of course, they are our neighbors all the time, so there will be some similarity, language-wise, culture-wise, well, mixing-wise, which is good. But we have a separate identity, and it's a good identity. And more, actually, बहुत मिनट कहूँ please keep your संस्कृति. संस्कृति के छाड़ी दो यदि, you will have nothing. In order to do that, you have to protect your language. Let me come to your language a little bit. Language is the means of expression. Your संस्कृति के ताके व्यक्त करवार लगी, there are so many channels. You can sing about it, you can dance about it, you can paint about it, but most important is language. Language ता होची सब गुंथी गोटे सब अलग अलग जिनस के जो गुंथव कर दे कि बोले, it is through the language. It is a string which connects all your experiences together, and it is the means to express yourself. And language is very, very important. By the way, language also, like anything else, it also undergoes changes. Slowly we imbibe influences of other things, other cultures, neighbors, invaders, new experience, new poetry. So it always changes. What was Kosali, say, 500 years ago, or 100 years ago, or 1,000 years ago even, it changes. And I go to our area every 5 years or so, and I notice trends, Same thing about Oriya, And I will tell you something. I have seen Oriyas who had settled in Malaysia 5 generations ago. How they speak their Oriya. You will be surprised, their Oriya, when they say, you can't even understand. Except, it is very, because their Oriya, they are speaking the way of 500 years ago. And I have seen people in other areas. I went to Bali, for example. There, Oriyas have supposed to have settled there thousands of years ago. And I tried to speak Oriya to them, they would not understand a thing. It has changed so much, actually, and they have imbibed the influence that neighboring cultures. Their language is very different. It is going to have the same thing about our own language too. So good modification, good imbibing, and try to integrate it in a meaningful way. It is a good thing actually, so that your language becomes enriched by having new vocabulary which is absent in your language. With a word, it explains something better. Why not accept it? No problem about it. So our framework ta kosiri rahla, but we can put into these things more new ideas, new cultures, new everything. That is a good thing. That is a very healthy thing. But if you we are finished. There is nothing to sustain it. So from my point of view, it is very, very important. You know, even our ଅନେକ ମାନେ ଭାଷା ଆମେ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଲେଖିଲେ କାଣା ହେବା ଆମେ ତ we will not recognize it. I was looking at the Nobel Prize winners in literature. This is what I found. 1904 रे Frederick Mistral ବୋଲି ଜଣେ ଲୋକ, he got Nobel Prize not in France, it is in France, but not in French, but a local colloquial language called Provence, they call it, or and something else. But it is a spoken language, it was not the proper French. And he got a Nobel Prize on it. And again in 1978, Isaac Singer, he got Nobel Prize in Yiddish. Tankar, English, as you know, Israel language Hebrew. Somebody got Nobel Prize in Hebrew too, by the way. Yiddish is a colloquial language spoken in the Ghetto Manku. Sitris, he wrote so well, he got Nobel Prize in it. So, I will never be surprised if you really don't write anything so that you will get a prize out of it. You become authentic, express yourself in your own language as well as you can, with all sincerity, without regard whether you are going to get a prize or no prize. You will be recognized sooner or later. When people look at prize election, that's the worst kind of literature you can have. Write which is authentic. And I was looking at actually, for example, काव्य केतबेले सक्सेसफुल हेसी आनंद वर्धन हमर we studied literature ago 1000 years ago. She called kavyasya atma dhvani. There are two kinds of dhvani. Gute dhvani hoche chhanda hala. For example, ame kosorir chhanda ta alga, amar rhythm ta alga, right? Which is will not find I'm Holland lagasu, I'm Koala. Odia is someone Kotaka, I'm Kotak, I'm Sambal Pura, I'm Sambal Pur Karmo. Itar Dhonita Olga. It I would have Dhoni Hoche, Bitter Dhonita. Tabayada Bhasana Koeva, it must touch your heart, to the inner soul, to inner core, for example. When that happens, that is good literature. That is Kavya Dahante ki hasi. Jyoti tumhe अनुकरण करी करी केरे बढ़िया भाषा रे लिखि दियो किंतु तमर छाती के सेटा नहीं छुए that is useless. It has no value whatsoever. So be truthful to your own experience. तुम निजर अनुभव के निजे चेष्टा करो. And we have so much things, you know. Don't underestimate yourself. Our design, which is our Samapuri design, as you know, it is world famous. Our Rangavati is famous all over the thing. Our drama, I am noticing that thing, they are getting prizes. Our movies are getting international award because when they are true to their own experience, they are not borrowed from Bollywood or Hollywood or somewhere else. Okay? So from my point of view, be authentic, be true to your experience and express yourself. Don't worry whether somebody accepts you or not. If you do that, automatically things will happen. That is the way to go survival. So, most Aji, that's like Oche, Sanskriti is very important. Be prepared to accept changes, modifications, as it has to happen because our ଲୋକମାନେ ବାହାରେ କାମ କରୁଛନ୍ ଆମର ଚାକିରି ବେଶୀ ବେଶୀ ନାଇଁନ so they have to go out, we have to come in contact with other people. Obviously there will be changes, but accept it gracefully and use it so that your language becomes better, so that you have more vocabulary, etc., etc. But never, 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 never actually forget your own identity, your own framework. You assimilate other things, but don't give up your own. Dhanyavad.